Hi, good morning, boys and girls. How are you today? I hope you are doing good at home. Welcome back for English lesson with Servin. Today's lesson, we're going to learn about contractions. Contractions means when two words combine together and we write it in a short form. In a short form, we call them as contractions. I'm, his, she's, they are, we're, you are. So these are the contraction words that we're going to learn today. Let's revise. Let's revise whether you still remember about pronouns. You, I, she and he. You bermaksud awak. I bermaksud saya. For girls and boys in English, we use different words. Not like in Malay. Malay, kalau kita nak rujuk pada seorang, kita akan sebut dia. But in English, for girls, we will use she. For boys, we will use he. So, you, I, she, he. Next, if you are being in the same group with someone, you say we, kami. And you are pointing to someone else, they are being in a group, we call them they, mereka. Alright, I hope you still remember about verb to be. When we use she and he, when we use she and he, meaning to say it's a singular subject. When we use singular subject, we must use verb to be is. When we use you, I, we and they, we call them as plural subjects. We use verb to be are. Alright, so please don't ask me why sir you and I is only one person but we're still using plural verb, because that's the grammatical rules. Alright, grammatical rules says that we must follow the plural verb. So you, I, we and they, we call them as plural subject, so it must accept plural verb are. Okay, moving on with the next slide. Alright, so do you still remember about last week's lesson? Alright, so when the people of Korea, we call them as Korean. People of UK, we call them British. The one originated from Brazil, we call them Brazilian. And the one from Mexico, we call them Mexican. Right? Now, please read with me. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Brazil. I'm from Brazil. Oh, you are Brazilian. Oh, you are Brazilian. Let's read again. Where are you from? I'm from Brazil. Oh, you are Brazilian. So, whenever someone asks, where are you from? We are supposed to answer, I am from. Let's say you're from Malaysia, so you're going to say, I am from Malaysia. So the person who are asking question, he will answer, oh, you are Malaysian. Okay? See now, let's look at the circle words. If you look over here, they circle the word I'm and they circle the word you are. So, I'm is a contraction word. When we make it into a normal words, it will become I am. So, I am is the one we make it into short form, or we call them as contraction, I'm. And you are, the contraction of you are is you are. Alright? So these are called contraction words. Now, moving on with the table of contractions. So when I am is combined together, we call them as I'm. We have to say I'm. She is she's. He is his. You are you are. They are they are. we are. Right? We are. Right. So these are the contraction, table of contractions. So whenever next time you're writing your sentences, okay, or writing essay, you can use these contractions in your essay or when you're writing sentences. Alright, so look at the table. I am from Malaysia, and over here we use the contraction I'm Malaysian. So I am from Malaysia, so I'm Malaysian. So let's say if you are from Singapore, I am from Singapore, I am Singaporean. I am. So I itu merujuk kepada saya. Okay, you can be a girl, you can be a boy. Right? So now, she is from Korea. She is from Korea, so she is Korean. Alright? So she is from Korea, so we call her as Korean. She is Korean. So she used for dia, tetapi untuk perempuan. And moving on with he. He is from Brazil. He is Brazilian. So he is his. Okay, untuk lelaki. Next, you are from the UK. You are from the UK. Awak daripada UK. So you are British. Okay, you are British. Kamu. Okay, it can be a girl or can be a boy. They are from China. They are Chinese. Mereka ialah Chinese. Right? We are from the US. Kami daripada US. So we are Americans. Kami ialah orang Amerika. Okay? Alright. Okay, let's practice. So today's homework, you're going to do two tasks. First task is you're going to copy these questions in your workbook, right? And then answer the questions. Okay, now, saya dah bagi contoh kat sini. Example, I am from Malaysia, and then you have to draw the line and you have to write Malaysia. So you have to copy the questions from here. Okay, you have to copy the questions from here and then just write the answer. A, B ataupun C. So let's say A jawapan is, contoh example is, let's say A, the answer for the first question is A, so you want to write she's. That's all. Enough, eh? So just copy like this. And your second task is you're gonna write the complete sentences with the correct contractions. Okay, now, so examples already given over here. Hello, I am from Malaysia. So masa tulis tu, you have to write hello and you have to make the I am into contraction. I'm from Malaysia. So you have to do the 5 questions. So tak perlu salin example, just for you to learn from the example. So you have to salin question 1 until question 5, and then you may have to make them into contraction. So kalau untuk soalan pertama, you have to make it this word into contraction. She is. So kalau contraction jadi apa? Alright? So you have to finish up 2 tasks for today. Once you are done, you have to upload the picture of your homework into Google Form. Alright? Okay, thanks for joining me today. So see you all on next class. So until that, goodbye and see you soon.